how to fix exporting not working in CapCut. So if you're trying to export one of your projects and either you're getting some kind of error message or it's just not exporting in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and close out of your CapCut project, and that should take you over to the home screen like this. Now, from the top right hand side, click on Settings and then click on Settings from the list. You'll then see Cache Size, and we're going to click on this trash icon. It will say Clear Cache Files, go and press OK. Now, once you've done this, go and press Save, and then you need to close out of the CapCut app. Now, once it's closed, open up the Start menu, and then you can just go and reopen CapCut. You can then head back over to your project. You can then try exporting your project, and you can check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then we're going to click on Menu in the top left-hand side, click on Settings, click on Performance, and uncheck the option next to Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Once you've done that, you can press Save. And once again, you can check to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, it's likely that you're using pro features in the free version of CapCut. So just go and check through your project to make sure you're not using anything from the paid version. And then once you've done that, once again, you should now be able to export your project. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.